Good morning, students. Today we are going to do lesson number 5, Minerals and Energy Resources, page number 60, 61, and 62, old book, as per the old book. Our first question is there. Name the next major energy resource of India after coal. It is petroleum. It is one word answer. Next is there. Which industry is known as nodal industry? Petroleum refineries or petroleum industries are known as nodal industries because they supply raw materials for other industries like synthetic textile, fertilizer, chemical, and other petrochemical industries. Now, how is petroleum been found? Petroleum is been found in between the rocks. It has been found, it has been trapped inside the rocks because the petroleum word has been derived from the two word, that is petra plus oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. When the oil is been trapped in between the rocks in the form of caves, the upper dome of the rocks is been termed as anticlines, and the trough shaped rocks that is been termed as syncline, and in between that it has been trapped in the form of porous and non-porous rock of the synclines. Some part of the petrol is been absorbed by the rock, that is the porous part of the syncline, and rest it is not allowing to percolate, that is the non-porous part. Our next topic is there. Where do we find petroleum in India? 63% of the petrol is been obtained from Mumbai High and Bassein. We are getting this petrol from Mumbai High and Bassein. These are the offshore oil refineries located in Arabian Sea. It is almost 140 kilometer away from Mumbai, Bassein and Mumbai High. There we are getting 63%. The next is there 18% is been again obtained from Gujarat. We are getting this 18% from Kalol, Ankleshwar region there. And then 16% of the petroleum is been obtained from Assam. That is Moran, Hugri-Jan, Sibsagar, Naharkatia, Digboi. And out of that, another question can be asked in one mark question. Name the oldest oil refinery of India. It is Digboi, located in Assam. Next topic, which is the clean energy resource found in India associated with or without petroleum? The clean energy resource is natural gas. It is generally found in the petroleum reserves only, and it is lying in the upper part of the petroleum reserve, and it is in gaseous form, but it is been considered as clean energy resource due to one reason. And what is that reason? Due to low carbon dioxide emission, means this gas is liberating less amount of carbon dioxide, that means it is less polluting. Then where do we have the large reserves of natural gas? It is lying in Krishna Godavari basin. River Krishna is located over here and Godavari is located over here. In this river basin, maximum natural gas have been obtained. Then Mumbai High and Bassein already I have told you. Then in a Gulf of Cambay region, this one, Gulf of Cambay, we get the oil refineries, and Andaman Nicobar Island also some reserves are being detected there. Our ONGC, which is responsible for the detection and mining work of the natural gas, we have got the ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Commission. They have depicted that natural gas deposits are there lying there in almost all the deltaic region of our country, that is in Mahanadi Delta also, Kaveri Delta also. And now the traces have come that chances are also there That natural gas is lying there in the Jharkhand region. Now, next, write briefly about HBJ gas pipeline. HBJ gas pipeline, you can learn it from this map only there. H stands for Hazira, V for Vijaypur, and J for Jagdishpur. Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur gas pipeline. 1 point. It is 1700 kilometer long, 1700 kilometer long. Now it has been extended to Sahibabad, Sonipat, Gurgaon, Delhi. And this pipeline is supplying the raw material to all the refineries and all the petrochemical industries of our country. And what is the use of this natural gas? It is being used as CNG, compressed natural gas. New Delhi is the first city of our country to utilize this CNG vehicles. Now it has been used in all the cities, all the big cities. Even our Ranchi is also using the CNG vehicles. And thus natural gas has been also used by GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited, to provide gas for domestic need in the form of fuel for cooking our food. Regarding electricity, what is considered as index of development in terms of electricity? It is per capita electric consumption. How do we calculate it? Total electricity consumed by total population of the country. Next is there, distinguish between hydroelectricity and thermal electricity. Hydroelectricity is generated by flowing water. Thermal electricity is being generated by coal, petroleum or natural gas, whatever is available in that region. Hydel power plant is Bhakra Dangal Dam, Hirakud Dam. Thermal electricity is been obtained from major thermal power plants such as Patratu Thermal of Jharkhand, Bokaro Thermal, or you can write Chandrapura Thermal Power Plant also there. Name some of the river valley projects and write their names and dams built on it. You will write it down from lesson number 3. Write it down from lesson number 3. Old book page 28, new book page 26. Bhakra Nangal Dam, Satluj. River is Satluj. Okay. Salal Dam, you can write river Chenab. Then Tehri Dam, river Ganga. Sardar Sarovar, river Narmada. Rihand Dam, Son. Hirakud Dam, Mahanadi. Krishna, Nagarjun Sagar Dam, river Krishna. Tungabhadra Dam on river Tungabhadra. Meteor Dam on river Kaveri. So you can write these river valley projects from your page number 28 or 26, old book or new books. Then identify the thermal power station in your state, also name the fuel used by them. You can write the name Patratu Thermal, Bokaro Thermal, Chandrapura Thermal, TVNL, Tenughat Vidyut Nigam Limited. These 4 thermal power plants are located in Jharkhand and they are using the fuel that is coal. So you mark it up to here. In next class we will complete the concluding part of the chapter. Thank you.